Hi, hello. Uh, my name is Shigeru Sasajima. This program is provided by Clio Institute for Teacher Education. Today's topic is fractions, bunsu. I hope you will enjoy learning fractions in this program. Okay, I would like to start today's math activities. So let's get started. Okay. Fractions are not natural numbers. Fractions are not natural numbers. 分数は自然数ではありません。分数です。Because fractions show parts of a whole. Fractions show parts of a whole. ホール全体の一部部分のことを fractions というふうに言っています。So, like this is this diagram shows a half of the whole. Half 2分の1. Okay, so let's check these kind of things, how to read these fractions. First one, a half 2分の1. A third 3分の1. あは1と言っても構いませんね。A quarter, 1 quarter, a quarter 4分の1. A fifth 5分の1. A sixth 6分の1. A seventh 7分の1. An eighth あえいおうan となります。An eighth, 1 eighth でも結構ですね。8分の1。A ninth 9分の1。A tenth 10分の1。Point is anyway, these numer the th is added, and half, a third, and quarter is a very different expressions. Okay, so I'd like you to learn these kinds of things. Fractions come in between whole numbers. Fractions come in between whole numbers. Okay, 0 to 1. For example, a sixth, 2 sixths, 3 sixths, 4 sixths, 5 sixths, 6分の1、6分の2、6分の3、6分の4、6分の5、6 sixth. You don't say normally, so 1. Okay. Fractions come in between whole numbers. Okay, using the number lines, I like you to create fractions. 分数を作ってみましょう。Okay, this is like this. A half is divided in 2 parts. Okay, next one, divided into 3 parts. So a third, 2 thirds. 複数形になります。2 thirds. Really difficult. Okay, but back to this one. Point is 3 2 6 S がついてます。3 6 S がついてます。4 6 S がついてます。5 6 S がついてます。これは上の数字が複数1じゃなくなるとこういうふうに普通つきます。Okay, so this one is 2 thirds になります。Okay, let's try yourself. Alright. Later, please write the number line, and try to create your own fractions. Alright. Before that, anyway, I will give you some basic information. A fraction has a numerator, 分子, and a denominator, 分母. A numerator and a denominator. It's very difficult to pronounce numerator. Please say numerator or denominator. Very difficult. Later practice yourself. 分子と分母があります。Okay, this number, 7分の3. In English, you call 3 sevenths. S がつきます。3 sevenths. Or 3 over 7. 3 over 7. You can say 3 over 7 as well, but I hope you will try to read 3 sevenths. Okay? Okay, this fraction is made of 3 parts. 3 numerator, fraction bar, and denominator 7. 3 sevenths. A numerator and a denominator are separated by fraction bar. このバーによって分かれています。Alright? So this is a little bit difficult, but you don't have to understand everything. But later, please try to understand these types of fractions. One is proper fraction, 新分数. This type of fraction, 新分数. Improper fraction, proper ではないという意味ですね。Improper fraction, 仮分数. So numerator is bigger than denominator, right? 仮分数, improper fraction. Unit fraction is numerator is 1. numerator is 1, alright? 単位分数, you call it. Mixed fraction is mixed 1 and 3 sevenths. Mixed fraction, right? Okay, but later I would like you to gradually understand these kind of things. Before that, anyway, I'd like you to try some fraction quiz. Number 1. You divide a cake into 3 equal parts. 3つに分けます。Then each part is なんとか of the whole. なんでしょう。You express the time as half an hour. Okay. It is なんとか minutes. 何分ですか？ Half is a fraction, which is represented as a half of an hour, which is 60 minutes. Okay. Next one. Teachers show, 表す. The teachers represent the scores of tests. 先生は点数を書きます。as fractions. 分数を使って表うことがあります。like 15, it is 15 over what? Right? Next one. You use fractions in cooking. 料理でフラクションを使います。For example, you say a quarter teaspoon of sugar. A quarter teaspoon of sugar 3 times. It means 何? Oh, sorry. Quarter. Quarters. A fourth would be okay, but anyway, quarters, right? All right. These answers are this one. All right. So you divide the cake into 3 equal parts. Then each part is a third of the whole. Next, you express the time as a half an hour. It is 30 minutes. Half is a fraction, which is represented as a half of an hour, 60 minutes. Teachers represent the scores of tests plus fractions like 15 over 20. You use fractions in cooking. For example, you say a quarter teaspoon of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of sugar 3 times. It means 3/4 or quarters teaspoons of sugar. Okay. Next question, I will give you some how to solve this question. Question is, Haru has a bag of 48 sweets. 48のお菓子があります。She gives 3/8 of her bag to his brother Tomo. 8分の3をあげます。How many sweets does she have? いくつ残ってますか？ Haru 48 sweets divided by 8 equals 6. Haru 48 sweets means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 6, 7, 8. 8, 6. So that's why. 3 sixes to Tomo. 3 6 means 18. 18 sweets goes to Tomo. So Haru 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 5 sixes. It means 30. 30 sweets. Haru has 30 sweets. Okay? Like this, I like you to try these math problems. I read. Hina has a birthday party. She invites 16 friends. Half of her friends are from her class. 半分が自分のクラスから来ています。And half 半分はare from the other class. 半分は別のクラスから来てます。How many friends does she invite from each class? How many friends does she invite from each class? Okay, so next one. Fraction quiz 4. Sho and Yuri share a pizza. She eats 2/4 of the pizza, right? And Yuri eats 1/4. How much pizza is left? How much pizza is left? All right. Next one. Last one. Fraction quiz 5. Sora spends a third of her money on a new game. Spend 使いました。A third of her money on a new game. ゲームを買いました。She has 3,600 yen. 3,600 yen. How much does she spend on the game? How much does she spend on the game? Okay. Okay, later please try this quiz. Thank you. Bye bye.